Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the satellite AIS on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. At the left side on the screen, click to the settings icon, and in the display options section you can find the first option, the satellite AIS, and just click to the white square icon, and new this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.